right here, right now, on your favorite channel.
Hey everybody, how you doing? Let's go rallycross racing. A little bit of asphalt, a little bit of dirt, and a whole lot of air. I'll be in the Studio David DoorDash number 2 Volkswagen car today. I am starting second in a field of 5. Race length is 10 laps. Super quick note, this is an official race with only 5 cars in it. There were 11 cars in the practice lobby, and split number 1 took 6 cars. So we're the 5 cars. This is official. All right. I'm the number 2 seed car, and I'm starting second. Only the number 1 car qualified. All right, let's rock. I was hoping I was going to start near the back without qualifying, but like I said, nobody else qualified, so it's just going to let these guys go and hang out in the back and try to get around here clean. And there it is, per iRacing norm. Somebody comes in hot, takes somebody out. I would have been right there. All right, there's 2 positions.
Marco, what are you doing?
Marco was just following the standard iRacing program, and that is you can win it on the first lap. Remember that, boys and girls, you can win it on the first lap. All right, we've only completed a couple turns, and I find myself in 3rd in podium position. All right, let's try to keep this, okay? Probably unlikely, but hey. Been struggling in this car a little bit, and then, yep, off into the grass. God damn it. We got the oh boy Alberto bug behind me. I'm going to let him go. All right, we got a Ford Festiva up on its roof, so that's going to ease the pressure from behind. The Alberto VW is in a big time fucking hurry to get to the next crash, ain't he? Okay, working lap number 2, hanging out here in 4th, not a problem, not a problem. I just want to get through this as clean as possible and get this race checked off. That is needed for the MRP. I'm running around here in 4th gear pretty much for the whole course. I am not trying to be quick. I am trying to be efficient and stay off the wall. That's why I'm running around here in 4th gear only. And just timid sister.
47.102.
All right, amazingly, I can see 2nd and 3rd right ahead of me. I'm being competitive, I guess, or they're sharing my lack of competitiveness. Alberto Bug decides to take the Joker lap. I'm going to wait till about 2 to go to take the Joker. The Joker here actually is the slow way around, so I'm going to hopefully let the field string out some more so there's no crossover when I take my Joker coming back over the main course.
That's it, my man. You can try it, but keep moving that thing around.
Oh wow, the now 2nd place Bug slips off the ramp. I think that's going to put me into 2nd now. Okay, so as I said, I've been kind of struggling in the cars here, and part of that is I don't have a handbrake, so I was using the tip that you use the clutch as a handbrake, and then just use auto clutch or anti-stall clutch or whatever it is. And for me, that kind of worked pretty good, but there was too much feet dancing at times, and I was just struggling. And I was thinking to myself, I need a handbrake, but I don't know how far I'm going to carry this series or go to the trucks or whatever. So, Chad over at GeeLoorGaming, we got to chatting, and he said he wanted to get a Thrustmaster handbrake. Holy shit, $240, I believe, all steel, Sparco, full size, real-to-life rally car handbrake. And it's like, goddamn, I'm not spending $240 on a handbrake. And I was looking on Amazon. There's a couple of them down there in the $80 range. One I kind of got my eye on. It's called a progressive handbrake, which I believe iRacing does support progressive pressures. But anyway, the horrible thing is when you type in handbrake on Amazon, you can find real handbrakes for real rally cars for about 50 bucks. But us iRacing guys, we get dinged at least twice that, if not 5 times that. So anyway, I was sitting here thinking to myself, you know what? From my flight simulator days, I've got a throttle quadrant that I used to use for flying my big 4-engine planes. And I knew that there were some issues with it, but I dug it out of the box where I had it stored. And the first throttle input lever did work. So I got that clamped to my desk, and the very first throttle lever is now my handbrake. Now here's the thing, it's not spring-loaded, so I was pulling it back, pushing it forward. Man, what a difference. A hell of a lot better than doing the foot thing. And then so I thought, hey, I want to make this spring-loaded, so I was going to get a spring and attach it to the body and then attach it to the lever. And I've got some of these little, what I'm going to call shoestring bungee cords, mini bungee cords. So I just set a screw in the base of the throttle quadrant, looped that shoestring bungee cord around the throttle lever itself, and now I've got spring return. Wow, what a difference that makes. So now I can just reach over there, pull back on that lever for the handbrake, and it snaps right back to the home position. Change the whole game. I kind of like this car now. You might have noticed that I've got the steering wheel and the driver arms removed, just kind of doing a test here. I know Nebon doesn't do that, and a few others don't do that. I think that helps with frame rates, and I'm also going to see if it helps my driving line some, that maybe that steering wheel moving back and forth is making me do things I shouldn't do. I don't know.
46.383.
All right, working lap 8, solidly in second, and nobody behind me. You know what time it is? Crank that knob to 11.
More laps, 2 more hard ones, man. Like hell, man. Go like hell. .329.
All right, just a couple more corners, and it looks like I'm going to be on the second step podium finish. There it is, checkered flag, second. And I've been in the wall so many times in practice, I thought I'd revisit it because I kind of missed it. Hot damn, pretty good race, 0x, and come home in second in the number 2 car, right where the iRacing algorithm says I should have been. Positive iRating and positive safety rating, and amazingly, I had fast lap in the race, which was the last lap, lap 10 at 45.751. Smoking. Alright guys and gals, that's all I've got for you today. Thanks for coming along for the ride, and hope to see you next time.